welcome to my kitchen. Today, I will be cooking the popular Nigerian jollof rice. And while our jollof is cooking, let's talk about something every working professional needs: other sources of income. If you have all your eggs in one basket, meaning you rely on a single income source, or you live paycheck to paycheck, oh yeah, listen to me. This rice, that's your salary. It's important, but not enough on its own to give you delicious jollof rice. The oil, the seasonings that I'll be using, those represent your skills, your professional skills, other skills that you acquire from trainings, from courses, even on social media, your digital knowledge, online systems, artificial intelligence, and all of that. And the protein, this chicken, actually represents your extra income stream. When you eat your jollof rice with chicken, it makes more sense. One ingredient alone does not make a meal. And what that means is one income alone doesn't build financial stability or wealth. A lot of working professionals are tired, not lazy, just tired. They want more than just a paycheck. They are hardworking, but only in one direction. That is, the 9 to 5. Some are afraid to take the first step. Some are skeptical. Some even start a side gig and then quit. Making this jollof rice, apart from the ingredients, requires a process and time. Learning something new feels slow at start, sometimes messy before it looks good. Most people quit at the prep stage because there's no instant reward. But you don't stand here complaining the food isn't ready after 2 minutes. So why do that with your business? Results take time, but they are worth it. Multiple income streams don't happen overnight, but they can change everything for you. So allow yourself to try something outside the norm. Get something on the side. A side hustle, a gig, a business, but do your due diligence. Make sure it's legit. Don't chase get rich quick schemes. I've spoken with many people who went through that route and got burned. The Bible says in Proverbs 13:11, wealth from get rich quick schemes quickly disappears, but wealth from hard work grows over time. Oh, our jollof rice is ready. Be patient with yourself, enjoy the process, learn, and grow. The same way I was patient making this delicious jollof rice. And don't wait until life happens to you before you take action. Remember, you can always reach out to me if you have questions or if you want to know how to launch into the online space, just like I did 6 years ago. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next one.